We are at Romexpo in Romania at the exhibition. We're gonna go and visit ArtShadows to talk a little bit about their products that they produce here in Romania. Hello.
Hello, welcome.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Please tell me where is the pergolas produced in?
Our pergolas are produced in Istanbul. We have a collaboration with Tentex company about for 15 years, and we are the main supplier of Tentex products, all these products in Bucharest. And also here now we want to enlarge our business, and we are looking for our sub dealers in all Romanian market.
Please tell me the quality of your pergolas and of your verandas or your closed terrace. What is the quality? What quality do you offer for the clients?
Well, to be honest, we don't want our customers to have any problem or any headache. Therefore, we prefer to give the service the best quality products for them. Our all products are guaranteed for 5 years under the main factory's guarantee, and also under us. So if you don't want any problem, let's work with ArtShadows.
What can you show to us?
Well, our main products are, for example, this one. This is called pergola systems with PVC fabric, and it protects from, especially from rain, from sunlight, and other weather events. And then on the other side we have the bioclimatic system, which is with the aluminum panels and top of this shading system. So with long years you can use our products in your private houses, in restaurants, wherever it is. And also under these systems we are also giving the service for automatic glass systems, sliding glass systems, and zip lines. So as ArtShadows, we are giving full service with all shading systems. And if you want to create a new living places in your homes or in your flats, in your terraces, believe me, you are in the right address.
Perfect. Please tell me, what is the isolation comparison between them two?
If you want a strong insulation, I can highly recommend you these bioclimatic systems, because with these systems, first of all, the panels are from aluminium, and also as you can see, for example, 1 minute, please. For example, it is retractable. You can open and close according to the weather conditions. And also inside of these panels we are putting the polyurethane injection, so it will protect you from heat or from cold in different weather conditions. So but also with this product, these products will protect you from rain and from the sunlight. It doesn't make insulation such as the bioclimatic system.
This helps with the UV. It will not affect it in the
exactly, because the fabric which we are using is the PVC blackout fabric. None of sunlight would affect you. Also, inside of these columns there is our water drainage systems. So when it rains, it comes from the slope, and inside of the rain gutter, it goes down from the drainage.